Hey guys, I'm back again. Okay. Well, another episode here coming up right now, and I gotta say this one is said is the ghost engines of Sodor. So I guess that means there's going to be like multiple stories about engines, having accidents and then coming back as ghosts. I guess I think that's what it is. But anyway, guys, if you're all ready, here we go again. So let's get started. In three, two, one, and go. What the? Okay, Alfred Hitchcock. Alfred Hitchcock. Okay. Oh my. Yep, that's Alfred Hitchcock. All right.
Good evening, and welcome to this Halloween special. Tonight's presentation will be 4 Halloween stories based around the ghost engines of Sodor. So please enjoy. There was once a tank engine who helped build Thomas's branch line. He was a hard worker and never made a fuss, but he wasn't maintained properly, and one night it happened. They were building a bridge and the engine was taking supplies to it. But his brakes had completely broken and fell off the bridge.
Oh no!
Every year on the date of the accident, it runs again as a warning to others, plunging into again, shrieking like a lost soul.
Wow, that was scary.
There was once a little railway, and several engines
Oh,
ran
smudger.
on the
Oh, great.
One of them was called Albert. He was a cocky engine and never listened to advice.
Albert, of
This
course.
came back to haunt him one misty moonlit night. As the engine was crossing an old iron bridge, he suddenly lost control and plunged over the side into the swamps below. He was never found again, but many a workman will tell you that when the moon is full they have seen the little engine trying to get home, but he never reaches the other side.
Alright, that one was a quick one. Stewart? Oh, no. I mean, yes, a cocky engine.
There was once an engine who worked on the main line. He was rude and spiteful towards smaller engines.
Yeah.
He came back to get him one night. The engine was pulling a bridge train to the other end of the line. Sitting in a fallen asleep at dim seconds, and the engine was diverted to an old branch line.
This is bad.
The tracks were weak and rusty, as the engine was just over the drive.
Hard to see, it's so dark.
Then the engineer
Oh my.
as the engine rolled down the big hill.
Into the water.
There was once an old tender engine who worked on the branch line. The branch was covered with rotting trees and had a scrapyard at the end of the line. The engine was grumpy and never liked anyone or anything.
Oh. Didn't like anybody, huh?
But one night he heard the controller had deemed him unusable and he would send him for scrap. This infuriated the engine and he wanted to prove the controller wrong. So the next day he arranged all the trucks he could and tried to pull them all at once.
And it didn't work, did it?
He tried to pull away, but he couldn't. He slipped and he pulled so hard his cabin broke and put his sponsors and bent them off the tree.
Oh my.
The controller sent the engine to be scrapped. And there the engine was, silent and still, waiting to be cut up. Several men arrived and started dismantling the engine. When the job was completed and the workmen had left, the scrapyard was silent, apart from the sound of a steam engine popping around. And they say on Halloween the ghost engine returns to smelters looking for his lost whistle.
Oh boy. That kind of reminds me of Scaredy Engine, doesn't it?
Well, those were some stories, Mud. Next year I may tell you some more. Maybe I won't. But until I see you again, good night.
Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah. Those are good inspiring stories too. That was a good story. Well, guys, another episode down in the books, and we'll be seeing you here shortly for another piece of stories.